This will be for the con assignment, create two-way frequency tables. Stan took 25 classes during college. The Venn diagram below shows classes Stan studied for, classes Stan passed, classes Stan both studied for and passed, or neither. Complete the following two-way frequency table. All right, let's see the diagram here. I'm going to have to make it a little smaller. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what we have. Let's do the overlap part first, okay? The blue circle on the left is the classes he studied for. The red circle on the right are the classes he passed. So the ones that he studied for and passed are right here where it overlaps. Okay, so there's 12 classes that he studied for and passed. So here is the column studied for, and here is the row passed. So if we do studied for and passed, that's going to be 12. So we put a 12 right in here. All right. And then let's see. We'll do this one right here. If he passed, but he did not study, let's see. Well, here's the ones that he passed in the red circle. Okay, but these 12 right here he studied for, so we're cutting those off. We want to know the ones that he passed and did not study for this box. Well, that's 2 right here. Okay, he passed 2 without studying. Okay, let's look at the ones for this box here. Studied for the class, but he did not pass. That's this box here. Okay, this whole circle is the ones that he studied for, but these 12 he passed, so I want to cut those off. Okay, so he studied for and did not pass 0 classes. Okay, he studied for no classes that he passed, so this is a 0 in here. All right, and finally, the last one, the last box, he did not pass and he did not study. That's in this box here. So it's everything that's outside of these 2 circles, because this circle is studied for, this circle is passed. This 11 right here means he did not pass and he did not study. So this is 11 right here. All right, so just click inside those boxes and enter the correct numbers. Click in here, type 12. Click in here, type 2. Click in here, type 0. And click in here, type 11. Okay, and remember, before you check your answer, look at the total. It says Stan took 25 classes during college. So make sure these numbers add to 25, okay? We have 12 plus 2, which is 14, plus 11 is 25. Okay, Leah knows the following information about the 50 days where she tracked whether she wore a tie and whether she received a compliment on her outfit. There were 11 days where she neither wore a tie nor received a compliment. Okay, let's fill that in first. There were 11 days that she neither wore a tie nor received a compliment. Okay, so this is did not wear a tie, and this is did not receive a compliment. And if you go down and to the right, they meet in this box right here. So that's 11. There were 30 days in total where she received a compliment, okay? So it didn't say if she wore a tie or not. It just says 30 days in total where she received a compliment. So this row right here is received a compliment, okay? So when you add these 2 boxes together, the total on the end right here is going to be 30, All right, so we can't fill in a box for that yet. There were 16 days in total where she did not wear a tie. 16 days and she did not wear a tie. Okay, so did not wear a tie is this column right here, and the total for that is 16. Okay, so now we can fill in the other values. All right, if the total for this column is 16 and there was 11 here, 16 minus 11 is 5. Okay, you see that? Now the column total matches. 5 plus 11 is 16. And now on this row right here, the total is 30. So if it's 5 right here, this one is just 30 minus 5. Okay, 25 plus 5 is 30. And now finally, the total information was tracked for 50 days. All right. So all 4 boxes should add to 50. So we just have to subtract these 3 from 50. All right. So that's going to be 50. Let me see. I'll write it over here. 50 minus 25 minus 5 minus 11. So this is 25, 20 minus 11 is 9. So the missing value here is 9. Okay? So you just click on each box and enter the correct number. All right, let me see what I had here. 25, hit tab. 5, hit tab again. 9, hit tab again. And 11. Cold Begone Company conducted a survey where 100 participants were assigned to either receive a cold medicine or not receive a cold medicine. The Cold Begone Company then recorded whether the participants' cold lasted 7 days or longer. The Venn diagram below shows their data. All right, complete the two-way frequency table. Let's see. All right. So this is similar to the other one. I'm going to do the overlapping part first. The person that received cold medicine and the cold lasted longer than 7 days, that overlap is right in here. Okay. Cold lasted longer than 7 days and received cold medicine. That's going to be this box right here, 23. All right. So how about the ones that received the cold medicine and the cold did not last longer than 7 days? Let's see. So if the cold did not last longer than 7 days, we cannot choose anything inside this circle. Okay, so let's cut that part off. And we want to know the people that received the cold medicine, but the cold did not last longer than 7 days. That's 27. Okay, you can't choose the ones in here because these are the ones where the cold did last longer than 7 days. 27. All right, let's do the one for neither. The cold did not last longer than 7 days and did not receive the cold medicine. So you choose everything that's outside of these two circles. And that's a 30. And finally, the cold lasted longer than 7 days and did not receive the cold medicine. So these people in the blue circle received the cold medicine. Let's cut that part off. And the cold lasted longer than 7 days. That's 20 of those that did not receive the cold medicine. So that's it. Just click inside each box and type the correct answer. All right, you can use the tab to jump from one box to another. Okay, and if you want to check your answer before you click the button here, see what your total is, because there's 100 participants. So let's see. 20 plus 30 is 50. 23 plus 27 is 50. And 50 plus 50 equals 100. So that's good. All right, last one. Let's do these one at a time. Mannon knows the following info about a group of 13 professional golfers. All right, let's see. Nine golfers have both participated for at least 10,000 hours and won a major title. Okay, so this column here have practiced for at least 10,000 hours and won a major title is this row right here. So they meet in this box. That's going to be 9. Okay. 10 golfers in total have participated for at least 10,000 hours. So the total for this column right here, participated or practiced for at least 10,000 hours, is 10. All right, so the total here is 10. All right. So if the total is 10 and this one is 9, this here has to be 10 minus 9, which is 1. Okay, because 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 golfers in total have won a major title. Okay, this row right here is won a major title and 10 golfers in total. So the total right here is 10. So 10 minus 9 is 1. All right, it's just a coincidence that the totals are the same. But this is the row total. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Okay, and finally, let's look at how many were in the entire thing. The information was about a group of 13. Okay, so we subtract these numbers in the boxes from 13. All right, you start with 13 minus 9 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, 13 minus 9 is 4, minus 1 is 3, minus 1 is 2. And that goes right there. So that's it. So we have 9, 1, 1, 2. Okay, just use the tab key to jump from one box to another. But every time I click inside the box, the whole screen moves.